Damn, I should have done that. Alright, so we have our ECS diffuser and then the little side splitter corner spat kind of things. I'm gonna open these up. Some of these pieces are a little pricier than they should be based on what you're actually getting, but there's not a lot of competition. At least in these price points, you can charge whatever you want, but it does look really nice. So it comes with the 3M tape, and it's also got the pre-drilled holes, which is kind of nice. And it does come with a bag of hardware. So when it comes to the diffuser, I really wanted something quite a bit nicer. Every one that I want is right around $1,000, and it's just getting harder and harder for me to justify that. I'll post on the screen the ones that I actually really wanted, but just can't justify from a money perspective. It's nicely made. Looks pretty good, shipped really well. Doesn't look like, it's got this protective film on it. So this will just look a lot nicer than the OEM rear diffuser. Here the car is on ramps. Everything's accessible. I think that's all that's in here. So it looks like they provided the screws that you want to use for the side spats. So these right here are a 10 and they're plastic. And I just watched Daily Downshift's video on this install, and it looks like you just take these off and then you just literally pull the diffuser off. So okay, so they broke theirs and I would prefer not to break mine. So I'm just gonna do it very okay. Did it without breaking, and apparently I do have the sensor. That kicks open my trunk. So now take this, and I believe clips back on. What I'm gonna do is take it off this top area for now only. Okay. So now my sensor does work. I had no idea. So I'll hide that for now. Looks like easy peasy. It looks like it's actually on there. I did screw those bottom ones back in. Okay, so let's see what Daily Downshift did with their wires.
Just applying the new one's gonna be a bit. You mentioned that other YouTubers like didn't do this, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, this is very simple. I've seen a couple just leave them hanging, and that's a little sketchy for me. Okay, so 3M's off already on that. Okay, perfect. Just keep.
Damn, I should have done that. And it looks like this would just, it's just double sided taped on there. Because now, I wish I had done this earlier. I'm really scared to take this thing back off because it's made of plastic. I'm scared that the clips are gonna break. So I'm gonna try to get this in there without actually removing the diffuser. Alright, so under the car, there's the diffuser. So I basically just undid the 10 again, these two 10s. Pulled this down a little bit, and then I double-sided taped the
wire. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, double-sided taped it, and now the sensor is back on the little bracket. So I would definitely recommend taking that off the factory diffuser. Clean it up down here.
Take this off. The screws they sent are they're 8mm screws. So I got my 8 on here. They put the screws pretty far down here, so they'll actually sit pretty far out. I guess I can make it flush.
I readjusted these. I didn't like the way this corner was kind of sticking out, so I readjusted it to make it look a little bit more flowing. So anyway, it's done right, and it looks good.